How to use Chat GPT. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick beginner-friendly tutorial. So it's actually very easy to do. Now, once you open Chat GPT, then you have this over examples, capabilities, and limitations. And this is just a brief introduction of what it's all about. So here you have examples. So the examples are questions that you can ask. So you can ask the AI whatever you want, basically. And then once you ask these questions, then there are capabilities. So remember what user said earlier in the conversation, allows users to provide follow-up corrections, trained to decline inappropriate requests. And then there are also limitations, which you can check out here as well. So you can actually test this out by simply clicking on one of these example questions and then ask it right over here. But if you don't care about that, then you can immediately just ask a question yourself. So I have now asked the AI to answer the question how to make a YouTube video. So I'm going to send that, and now it will give a step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually make a YouTube video. Now, as you can tell, it is actually writing it like in real time, so it just doesn't pop up like a full-on text. So you might have to wait a bit, especially if you ask for the AI to write like 2,000 word essays. It might take a little while, but it is actually already done. So now you can read this. Choose a topic for your video, plan your video, gather equipment, record your video, edit your video, upload your video, promote your video. Now that's actually really, really nice. And you can actually give it a like over here, which is great. And this would actually be a pretty cool thing. Now over here on the left, you can see that it will kind of like save this chat. So I can click on new chat and start another one. And then let's say I ask, what is artificial intelligence? Then you can see on the left, it created a new chat. So this means that you can also switch between chats and keep on continuing with the chat. So you can basically ask the AI, like, you can go deeper and deeper in the sort of like conversation, I guess, because you're sort of having a conversation with a computer. And you can also just know or like save these chats. You can also delete them, which is really nice. And yeah, that's like the biggest part that you can do. One thing which is great is that you also have something pretty cool. So that is when you change the link to beta.openai.com/playground, just like this. Once you search for this, you will get sort of like the beta version of ChatGPT. So here you have a lot of different settings. Now here you have the model. Now this is what the like technology ChatGPT uses. So TextDaVinci 3 is actually the one we used before in the regular one as well, but you also have different like artificial intelligence like models, which you can read over here. They will briefly like explain what it's all about, and you can also change the temperature, controls randomness, which is pretty cool. Maximum length, so you can change the length even more to like 4,000, which is pretty cool. And you have just more like, I don't know, like customization to actually get what you want. So that is pretty cool. This basically works the same. Now you can also ask a question and it will answer it for you as well, but you can simply change these settings around for a bit. So this was a brief explanation video on how to actually use ChatGPT. I hope that helps you out, and I'll see you next time.